Let me in, yeah.
Hey, what is going on, guys? My name's Nick, and I'm back with another video for my beautiful E82-135i. Today we're going to do a little installation video. I'm going to be installing some H8 Angelis that I picked up from ECSTuning. They're supposed to be sort of a brighter bluish color. I'm going to get rid of these yellow lights. I have the box here with me, as you can see. So here are these bad boys. So they're LEDs, 600 lumens, pretty light colors, so should be looking a lot better than these yellow lights that we have installed in now. So let's go get them on. Alright, so for this installation, you don't need to do too much other than pull off this back cap, which are these two clips back here. So once we pull this off, once this comes out, we do want to test these first. Is this light here. Carefully. Probably these two. It's hot. Let's test these. As you can see, a whole lot brighter. Super bright. So this is it's pretty simple. You kind of want to tuck. So this is like a little batteries it has on it. You kind of want to tuck that in here so it's not popping anywhere out on your the inside of your headlight. And then it's pretty simple, just twist in. Okay, so we finally got it on after about 2 hours. No, I'm kidding. But so you want to tuck all this, the battery and all these wiring inside here before you put on the cover, so it's not in the way. And then basically all you do is put this cover right back on. It'll take another 2 hours. And now we're going to do the same thing on this other headlight. Set off this cover. Okay, so one thing to help you install this is pull this off first, so you don't like carry this around while you're trying to put this bulb on. It does take a little bit of wiggle room, or it does take a little bit of wiggling in to get this thing going. So, and there you go. There we have it. Connect this thing right back in. Alright, so we did just finish installing the bulbs. I mean, it was relatively easy. It does take a little bit of wiggling and playing around with, but it's nothing too complicated. You don't have to pull out no headlights. You just got to pull off the back covers. I'm not sure how it is for E92s, but here it goes for E82s. It's relatively simple. Now we're going to get you a quick shot of the new lights.
Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only.
Alright guys, anyways, this will wrap up the video. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for all the upcoming mods. Follow my Instagram right here, my car page, and the man behind the camera, and we'll see you guys in the next video.